Assalamu alaikum and hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the keyboards and make it like the new. You will see these spots and these spots all over the laptop. So I'm going to spray it. I will put this clear mat. I will spray this clear mat on the keyboard, the shining, so this will remove all these shining spots and you will see the laptop will be like a brand new. You just need like this box to cover your screen and just start the spray. Just shake well and I'm gonna start the spray on laptop. So let's sit for at least 1 hour, then I will show you the laptop. And guys, you need mask like this mask and the glasses because for protect the fumes that inside your mouth and eyes. Okay, and so you will see the difference. See, now it looks like brand new. There is no marks on the keyboard and the touchpad. See, it's a Lenovo. So it's a Lenovo T450. You can use on any other laptops. It doesn't matter. You have Lenovo, HP, Dell. You can do on any laptop. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.